Tricia. Now, what's going on with the golf bag here?
Little did my mother know when I was 8 years old and she sent me out for golf lessons that I'd end up using a golf bag and cart for the garden. But you know, it really is a great idea. I just went to the secondhand store and bought this old golf bag for about $5, and it has a place for all the tools. Now I have the long tools here, as you can see, the trowel and rakes and what have you, and in the side pocket I have the smaller hand tools that come in so handy when I'm out in the garden. Here I've got the gloves and rubber gloves, and even a place for the spray bottle that I sometimes use for pest control.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So you've got another bottle up there, drinking water, huh?
Well, you know, we can't just take care of the garden, have to take care of the gardener too. A water bottle is always a good idea. And for people who are really into their garden, they can, instead of keeping score, they can maybe take notes about the garden. And as you can see, I have all of this on my usual golf cart because it's just really easy to hand around.
Well, it does make sense, you know, if you're working out in the yard and you have a number of tools you're working here and there, having to go back and forth from the storage area, that you have them all in a nice self-contained unit.
Well, it's true, regardless of how big your yard is, whether it's an acre or just a little plot, I find that I'm always having things all over the place.
Well, let's get all this taken care of, and maybe we'll take this golf bag off and put the real golf bag on.
Great idea, Danny.